Hi everyone. So welcome back. I wanted to add just remember something I wanted to add. So I actually added the CSV version of this particular SQL connection. And so in the event you guys want to actually use that, you can use that. What you just need to do is to so you could just do your import pandas at without having to pandas as PD, and you just read the file. So you could say customer underscore info is equal to pd dot read underscore csv, and your so in terms of file location, if I want to do any file location, I will just do dot slash, and it will take me to this particular folder. Now if I want to do something outside this, it means I have to go outside. I'll say dot slash. It means I'm outside the folder. I'm in where the folder directory is. This particular Python approach to SQL, it has a folder called SQL, and there are other folders there. So just wanted to put that out there. So you could go to this, and the next one will be sales, maybe sales info, and I'll say pd dot read underscore csv dot slash, and I'll just go through here and run it, and I can now view my data. And so you have the same data set, sales info, same data set that you could use. And so the reason is because I actually wanted to make it easy for everybody to have access, quick access to it. And many apologies if I caused you some form of inconvenience. So just trying that, I wanted to just show us that you can actually do a lot of connections to a Python for data analytics. Thank you very much. If you did like the video, to subscribe, share, and like, and that's cause it will help me with YouTube algorithm of recommending this video to others. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.